Hello everybody and fellow hairdressers. I'm Liz, as you know, and my daughter Delia.
Hello.
From A Few Grey Hairs. Today is webinar 5 and we're going to be teaching you today well, this is a lovely item to be able to make for your chemo clients. It is half a wig. We're going to be teaching you fringes, how to make a fringe, and we're going to be making the head wraps and the caps. I'll give you the pattern so you'll be able to make those as well for your clients that are going through chemotherapy. This is a very nice item to have, so she doesn't have to wear in the summer months a full wig, which you know is very hot. So she can wear this. It is a halo. This part, the gut, goes around the front here, and the back, this is the back, and then you wear a cap, a peak cap on the top, or a head wrap. So it's a very nice, and to be able to make this, but you need to be able to use the sewing machine as well.
And to be able to do a straight stitch and a zigzag. What is particularly nice with what Liz was talking about is often patients who are about to lose their hair because of the treatment of chemotherapy anticipate their hair loss. So we will be able to teach you how to harvest their hair before that takes place, and how to convert it into strips, machine-made strips that look something like this. You can see this is lovely long hair, where this can be used with making your halo. Absolutely. Or going into a wig, adding hair to a wig. And often we hear the same thing from clients of ours. They say that having their own hair is not only comfortable, but it's also comforting.
Yes, and to have their own part of themselves next to their face.
That's right. It's a very key part, I think, of the success that we've had with the Hairs with Love campaign. We must mention that for webinar 5 and webinar 6, we encourage you to do webinar 3, both parts, to be able to fully benefit from what you'll be learning in the latter part of 5 and 6.
It's the 21st of March.
Yes, it is.
2022.
That's right, at 9:30. So we look forward to seeing you then.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.